Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning, back for another installment of our 366 video challenge for 2020. And today I wanted to talk about some changes or some modifications that we're putting in place in anticipation of coronavirus and any sort of implications that may cause for our community. More importantly, our elderly population and people who are more susceptible to the virus itself. So moving forward from now forward, or until future instruction from our government officials or the all clear sign that the virus is no longer an issue, we're going to be allowing all of our clients who have current or future consultations to switch to either a phone conference or video conference at their choice. We're also going to be giving people the option to receive their documents for signing via mail with instruction on how to sign them themselves, or to delay their signing meetings at their choice. Right now, this is all optional. We're still taking in-person consultations. We're still taking in-person signings, but in the next few days, next few weeks, we don't really know where the situation is going to be. So we've also implemented a virtual work policy for our team members. We are 100% cloud-based, so we can do everything that we need to do short of in-person meetings from home. And so our team will be directed to stay home, certainly if they're symptomatic, or if we get instruction from our government officials that we need to be avoiding public places, or certainly if we need to quarantine for any period of time. We are prepared to work for quite a while from home if we need to. And certainly we don't want the coronavirus scare to deter people from planning. Planning is still important. Certainly, if you are more susceptible to viruses, having updated estate planning documents like healthcare powers of attorney and living will are incredibly important. So we are offering now free expedited drafting services so that we have less than 1 week turnaround on our drafting of documents. For anybody who wishes to take us up on that. We're trying to, as much as we possibly can, shift the way that we do business to make it still very client-centric in this time that we're in. Unfortunately, there's a lot of uncertainty. We don't really know what things will look like in the near future. So if you have specific accommodation requests, we're all ears, and we're willing to certainly bend over backwards as much as we possibly can to accommodate any requests. We ask that if people are considering canceling any sort of upcoming meetings with us or attendance at our upcoming workshops, please let us know so we can offer you an alternative method of your consultation or the workshop itself. We're also considering shifting all of our in-person workshops next week to live webinars instead, and we'll specifically reach out to those, we have over 100 RSVPs so far, to let them know that change, and we will likely host those live seminars if we do that through Zoom or through Facebook Live. So keep an eye out for more updates as matters evolve. Obviously be safe and make smart decisions for you and your family, and we hope that you otherwise enjoy the rest of your week. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.